So far in our student grades table, or excuse me, so far in our student grades database, we have two tables, one called classes and one called students. When you click on the Create tab, I'm going to create one more table. And when you click on Table 1, again, that's below classes and students, we're going to switch back from the datasheet view back to design view. And we will name this table grades. And for the field name, we will do grade ID. Again, we'll leave the data type as auto number. Our next field we will do as student ID, and we will change this to number. Class ID, we will change to number. And the last field we will leave as, we'll call it grade, and we'll leave it as short text. And in the field size, we'll change the field size from 255 to 1, because we'll just be entering in one letter grade. Now, as you will recall, on our classes table, the class ID was an auto number, and in our students table, the student ID was the auto number. But in our grades table, our student ID and class ID fields, the data type is going to be number, because we're not going to refer to the students by their first name. We're just going to refer to it just as a number, and the class ID is a number. And you'll be able to see that a little bit more clearly as we go on. And once you have these fields keyed in along with the data types, click back on view again. Again, you'll go back to datasheet view, click yes to save the table. And I'm going to go back to students, to the students table. And for student ID, I'll just press tab, because that's going to give us an automatic number. So for the first person, we'll just type in Tim. We'll do Stephen. Missy, I'll just make some names up. Robert. And we'll do Sally as our fifth student. And when you click on the classes table, again, class ID, that's going to be that is our primary key. So that's going to be if you remember, that was an auto number. So we'll do access, run, we'll do jogging, swimming, and we'll do math. So this way, that's our 4 classes in our classes table. And in the next video, we will add information in the grades table.